And these are they're basically small machines that live in your brain and communicate with the internet.
What if I told you that you lived for 200 years? What do you imagine the world would look like? I see a society where energy is clean and virtually free, where the content of every book ever written and every movie ever produced can be kept in a 1-inch cube, and heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer is eradicated. Nanorobots has the potential to reconstruct this world. The research is currently underway, and scientists are both excited and terrified at what they are finding. Let us find out why. At present, there's no technology akin to the nanoscale robots often portrayed in science fiction, such as those in Michael Crichton's Prey. Nevertheless, the realm of medical nanotechnology employs the term nanobot or nanorobot to describe programmable molecules designed to execute specific tasks. These nanobots are real, actively researched, and under development. Nanorobotics encompasses the creation, design, and control of these minuscule programmable molecules. Researchers are vigorously exploring the potential of nucleic acids' programmable self-assembly attributes to craft nanoshapes and nanomachines. One focal point of this exploration is DNA assembly, particularly a method known as DNA origami. Numerous research groups are harnessing the programmable self-assembly properties of nucleic acids to fashion logically designed nanoshapes and nanomachines for a wide array of applications. Consequently, one of the most intensively studied facets of nanorobotics today revolves around DNA assembly, with a spotlight on DNA origami. Now, let's break it down. Robots are electronic, electric, or mechanical devices that function autonomously, often in manufacturing. If we scale these robots down to a few billionths of a meter, we enter the realm of nanotechnology robotics, or simply nanorobotics. Nanorobotics draws on various disciplines, including nanofabrication techniques used for creating nanomotors, nanoactuators, nanosensors, and modeling at the nanoscale. Nanorobotic manipulation technologies, which include assembling nanometer-sized components, manipulating biological cells or molecules, and the types of robots used for these tasks, are vital elements of nanorobotics. For instance, researchers have translated the movement patterns of nanomotors into controlled surface features, introducing an innovative approach to nanomanufacturing. Nanotechnology robots essentially belong to the category of NEMS, nano-electromechanical systems, and raise important considerations in NEMS design: sensing, actuation, control, communication, power, and interfacing across different scales and between organic and inorganic materials. Due to their size, comparable to biological cells, nanorobots offer a multitude of potential applications, and here are some of them. 1. Nanorobotics in medicine. The term nanorobot in contemporary research primarily refers to molecules with a unique capability that enables them to be programmed for specific tasks. This brings us to the exciting world of nanobots in medicine. There are numerous videos out there, often linked to elaborate conspiracy theories, that discuss nanomachines in humans, injectable nanobots, brain nanobots, and nanotechnology espionage. They ask questions like, can nanobots control you? Or how to detect nanobots, and then provide helpful advice on removing, deactivating, or destroying nanobots. Please, let's keep our feet on the ground and steer clear of these conspiracy theories. You can't buy nanobots online, and we strongly discourage you from attempting to do so. When we talk about nanobots today, we mainly refer to self-propelled nanomotors and other biodegradable nano devices composed of bio-nano components. These nanobots are designed to transport cargo to specific locations, such as delivering drugs to diseased cells. For example, nanorobots can be programmed to carry molecular payloads and block blood supply to tumors on site, leading to tissue death and tumor shrinkage. This approach to drug delivery using active motor-based nanorobots offers a more effective and improved alternative to conventional methods. Researchers have tested gold nanoparticle-loaded PDOT or zinc-based artificial micromotors in mouse models through oral administration, demonstrating excellent acid-driven, self-propulsive properties with high cargo loading capacities. Another fascinating example involves cell-like nanorobots engineered to eliminate bacteria and toxins from the bloodstream. These nanorobots are constructed by coating gold nanowires with a hybrid of platelet and red blood cell membranes. This unique coating enables the nanorobots to perform the functions of two different cells simultaneously: platelets, which bind pathogens like MRSA bacteria, and red blood cells, which absorb and neutralize toxins produced by these bacteria. Moreover, there are other technological advances in the field, such as unimolecular submersible nanomachines activated by UV light, DNA origami-based nanorobots, light-induced actuating nanotransducers, magnetic multi-link nanoswimmers, and more. These developments anticipate a wide range of applications for nanorobots in drug delivery. Number 2. Nanotechnology in DNA. DNA has found its place in the world of nanorobotics and nanofabrication. A prime example is Ned Seaman's groundbreaking work at NYU. He's pioneering the use of DNA in creating nanorobotic arms that can operate within DNA sequences. This research has led to exciting developments like sending DNA on sequential building missions and utilizing DNA origami to craft 2D structures. Moreover, RNA has come into play, steering a DNA rotary nanomachine. The world of structural DNA nanotechnology has given birth to DNA origami. This ingenious molecular self-assembly process provides a versatile approach to creating nanodevices with intricate nanoscale shapes, precise placement of molecular functions, and programmed mechanical and dynamic attributes. Scientists have harnessed DNA origami to engineer structures on the scale of viruses and cell organelles. Imagine DNA origami as a design technique, similar to the traditional art of folding paper into decorative forms. In nanotechnology, it's a method for folding DNA strands into something resembling a programmable pegboard. This pegboard allows us to attach nanocomponents, facilitating the bottom-up construction of complex nanostructures with arbitrary shapes and patterns on a scale less than 100 nanometers. Number 3. Environmental cleanup. Nanorobots offer a promising solution to the pressing challenges of pollution and contamination in environmental cleanup. These small machines have the potential to significantly contribute to the removal of pollutants from water, soil, and air, ultimately aiding in environmental conservation and remediation efforts. In water cleanup, nanorobots can target and neutralize various contaminants, including heavy metals, organic pollutants, and harmful microorganisms. They can be engineered with specific functionalities to bind to and remove pollutants from water sources. Additionally, nanorobots can enhance water purification by improving filtration mechanisms and the efficiency of water treatment systems. For soil remediation, nanorobots assist in removing toxic substances such as industrial pollutants, pesticides, and chemical residues. They can be designed to break down or encapsulate contaminants, simplifying their removal from the soil. In mitigating air pollution, nanorobots play a vital role in capturing and neutralizing airborne pollutants. They can be deployed to target specific pollutants such as particulate matter, volatile organic compounds, VOCs, or harmful gases. These advances in nanorobotics hold great promise for addressing critical environmental challenges. Number 4. Energy production. Nanorobots have the potential to revolutionize energy production and address critical challenges in this field. These tiny machines can enhance the efficiency and performance of solar cells by improving light absorption, minimizing reflection, and optimizing charge separation and transport processes. They can engineer nanomaterials with tailored properties, enabling more efficient conversion of sunlight into electricity. Nanorobots contribute to the development of advanced energy storage systems, such as batteries and supercapacitors. By manipulating and engineering nanomaterials, they enhance energy storage capacities, improve charge-discharge rates, and extend the overall lifespan and reliability of energy storage devices. Nanorobots play a role in converting energy from one form to another. For instance, they can be employed in thermoelectric devices to optimize the conversion of waste heat into electricity. By manipulating materials at the nanoscale, nanorobots enhance the thermoelectric properties of materials, thereby increasing energy conversion efficiencies. Number 5. Material science. Nanorobots bring a wave of possibilities to the world of material science, revolutionizing the creation of advanced materials with distinct properties and functions. Their integration opens doors to self-healing materials, intelligent coatings, and responsive surfaces that adapt to changing conditions or stimuli. One vital application of nanorobots in material science centers on self-healing materials. These tiny marvels can be engineered to detect and mend nanoscale damage in materials. They autonomously navigate through the material, identifying cracks or defects, and triggering healing mechanisms by releasing healing agents or catalyzing chemical reactions. This self-healing ability extends the lifespan of materials, reduces maintenance needs, and bolsters their overall durability and reliability. Smart coatings made possible by nanorobots have the potential to transform surface characteristics and functions. These nanorobots can be programmed to react to specific stimuli like temperature, light, or chemical changes. When incorporated into coatings, surfaces gain adaptive traits such as self-cleaning, anti-fouling, anti-corrosion, or anti-icing properties. The applications for these smart coatings span various industries, including automotive, aerospace, and architecture. Number 6. Exploration. Nanorobots hold the promise of revolutionizing exploration and sensing by venturing into challenging and inaccessible environments, providing invaluable data and insights previously out of reach. Whether it's deep-sea exploration or space missions, nanorobots offer a compact and versatile solution for collecting information and navigating through extreme conditions. In the realm of deep-sea exploration, nanorobots can delve into the ocean's depths where human access is limited. These tiny machines come equipped with sensors and imaging capabilities, enabling them to venture into uncharted territories, map the ocean floor, study marine life, and gather data on geological formations. Their diminutive size allows them to access narrow crevices and delicate ecosystems without causing significant disturbance. Similarly, in space missions, nanorobots can play a pivotal role in exploring celestial bodies and conducting research beyond our planet. They can be deployed to maneuver through challenging terrains, collect samples, and conduct experiments in environments characterized by extreme temperatures, radiation, or low-gravity conditions. Nanorobots contribute to the study of planetary bodies like Mars or the Moon, aiding in the search for signs of life or valuable resources. Well, that's it for today. Tell us in the comments if you would ever consider being injected with nanobots. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe.